Yo, what's up guys? This is my FRP GMB100 mini bike here, and we got some mods done to it. First off, we got an exhaust. This is a header pipe right here. It came with a muffler, but I didn't use that muffler. I used a dirt bike slip-on muffler with some threads. All of these products will be linked in the description. Sorry if I'm talking a little weird, it's like 20 degrees out. We have an air filter right here, and a 99cc adapter from Go Power Sports. The little headlight that comes with it. And I just found out that it shoots flames. So I'm going to get a quick video of that. Then I'm going to take it for a ride around this giant parking lot here. And yeah, just show you. Well, this thing shoots some serious flames. It also pops because of those flames while you're riding, so I'll see if maybe it's possible to get that on camera. Sorry if my voice isn't very loud because the GoPro is on top of my helmet, as well as I have a little gator over my mouth, so I can't really talk very well. That kind of helped. But yeah, obviously, filter, exhaust, all that jazz. And yeah, let's take a ride. First pull. Obviously it's warm, but you know, still a little bit of it, right?